guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for being here. For today's video, I have this spring makeup look for you guys. I really hope you guys enjoy it. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. So I'm starting off this look putting on chapstick. I just hate when foundation gets on my lips. Then I'm going in with the NYX Pore Filler and just focusing that on my T-zone, dragging whatever's left on the rest of my face. Then I'm mixing these two foundations. I'm mixing the MAC Studio Fix and the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. As you can see, very full coverage. As you can see, I'm blending my foundation in with the Beauty Blender. So now for brows, first I like to brush them out. Then I'm still obsessed with the Makeup Revolution Brow Pomade. So what I do with my brows, first I underline the bottom, then I'll underline the top, and then I'll just fill it in. Super easy. It literally takes me like 2 minutes. So now I'm just using primer to prime my eyelids. So now I'm blending in that concealer with the Beauty Blender. So now for palette, I'm using this Boxycharm Temps Pure. This was in my Boxycharm box. I was so excited for this palette, but this palette just did not work for me. There was so much fallout. There was no pigment. Ugh, it was so hard. So I'm using this light orange shade for my transition. As you can see, you can hardly see it. I had to finish this look with another palette, but I made it work, so it's okay. So I'm just blending that in the crease. If you guys got this palette and if it worked for you, let me know. I would love to know because I was honestly so excited for this. So now I'm using that light pink shade and I'm using that on my outer crease as well as right underneath that transition color. So now I'm using this other light pink shimmer shade. There was no shimmer. As you can see, you can't even see it on camera. And it was the same thing in person. I'm just adding more. So here I'm just dusting away all the fallout. There was so much fallout. It was crazy. So now I'm finishing up this look. I'm saving this look with this Wet n Wild palette. So I'm using that gold shade and I'm just going right on top of that light pink shimmer shade. And as you can see, it already made a huge difference. Now I can see some shimmer. So now I'm going in with this orangey shade and I am placing that on top of the other orange shade. As you can also see, now you can see some color. We were finally getting somewhere. So now for concealer, I'm mixing these two. So I'm mixing the new Makeup Revolution concealer as well as the Femi concealer. The only reason why I'm mixing these two is because the Makeup Revolution is just a little bit light. This was the only one that was closer to my shade, so I just got it even though I knew it was going to be too light. I just wanted to try out the formula. You guys, this concealer is bomb. It's so good. I think this might be my new favorite concealer. And it's super cheap. I believe it was like $8. So if you haven't tried it yet, you need to try it. So now I'm just blending out that concealer with the Beauty Blender. Just look at that full coverage. Ugh, I'm obsessed with this concealer. So now I'm setting that concealer with the Laura Mercier translucent powder. Of course, what's new? I like to set my setting powder wherever I place my concealer at. And then while I'm dusting away my powder, I like to set the rest of my face with whatever is left on the brush. So now to contour, I'm using this Kat Von D Shade and Light palette, and as you can see, I like the middle shade. So I like to contour my cheekbones, my forehead, and my jawline, as well as my nose. Now for blush, I'm using this Pretty Vulgar blush, and this is in the shade Hush Blush. So now I'm going back in with that pink orange shade from the palette, and I'm blending that in my waterline. Then I'm going in with some white eyeliner, as well as some mascara on my lower lashes. Now for highlighter, I'm going in with the Ofra highlighter in the shade Rodeo Drive. What a difference highlighter makes. So now for a lip liner, I'm going in with the Kylie Cosmetics in the shade Dolce K. And for lipstick, I'm going in with Makeup Revolution in the shade Chauffeur. This is honestly just the perfect nude color. And now I'm adding some lip gloss from NYX. And to finish this look, I'm setting my face with the Make Revolution setting spray. So that is it for this video. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys all in my next video. Bye guys.